Former People's National Party Senator Delano Franklyn has passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and when we return, we'll have the full and exclusive details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Former People's National Party PNP Senator Delano Franklyn has passed away. He passed away last night after ailing for some time. Last September, Franklyn was hospitalized at the University Hospital of the West Indies. At the time, there was an urgent appeal for blood for him, with General Secretary of the People's National Party Dr. Dayton Campbell disclosing that he needed up to 10 units per day. A long-standing member of the People's National Party, Franklyn was 63 years old. He previously served as the Minister of State in the Minister of Foreign Affairs. He was also a businessman and attorney and was the managing partner of the law firm Wilson and Franklyn, which was founded in 1998. He received his secondary education at Kingston College and his tertiary education at the Micro Teachers College, now popularly known as Micro University College. The University of the West Indies. He also attended a Norman Manley Law School. He is a former chairman of the Governance Committee of the Micro University College, the Coffee Industry Board, the Michael Manley Foundation, and a Safa Powell Foundation. In 1999, he was appointed Justice of the Peace. In 2000, he was named as one of the distinguished graduates of the Micro University College and received a Millennium Award. In 2016, he shared publicly that he was hospitalized with the Guillain-Barré syndrome after he was infected with the mosquito-borne Zika virus. He detailed his struggles with life-threatening disease, which resulted in muscle weakness, which his immune system causing damage to the peripheral nervous system. A number of people has took to social media just in order to express condolences to his family and friends. Those people include former leader of the People's National Party, Peter David Phillips. In a post on the social media account of Peter Phillips' Twitter account, he wrote, "I am deeply saddened by the passing of the former Senator Delano Franklyn. He was a patriot who served his people and the country well. His passion, zeal, and essential decency will be sadly missed." The leader of the Jamaica Labour Party and also the Prime Minister of Jamaica also took the time to express condolences to his family and friends. On his Twitter account, he wrote, "My deepest condolences to the family and friends of former Senator and Attorney at Law Delano Franklyn. In 1998, Delano Franklyn was appointed Chief Advisor to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. P.J. Patterson. We here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to his family and friends." Sitting caretaker for Northwest Clarendon, Mr. Richard Azan, also expressed condolences to the family of Delano Franklyn. In a post on the official account of Mr. Richard Azan, he wrote, "R.I.P. C.D.E. Franklyn." The leader of the People's National Party, Mr. Mark Golding, also made a post on the social media account, Facebook, in which he wrote, "I am deeply saddened by the passing of the former Senator, Minister of State and Attorney Delano Franklyn. Delano made a significant contribution to our party in addition to his distinguished public service in government. He authored several works of historical importance, stood as a candidate for the party in general elections, and chaired the appraisal committee that reviewed the 2020 general election. His public articles in the newspaper were always articulately sound and insightful. Delano will be greatly missed. My condolences goes out to his wife Tricia and family, friends, and the legal fraternity. Rest in power, CDC Franklyn, Mr. Mark Golding wrote on his social media account. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to provide more extensive coverage of this to come in a later report. Thanks for watching.